In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials to Chrome. By the end, you'll have this privacy-focused extension installed, visible on your toolbar, and you'll understand exactly what it does to protect you as you browse. First, let's get to the official extension page. Open Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store, then look for DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. You'll know you're in the right place if the listing clearly identifies the extension and shows it's offered by DuckDuckGo. Sticking to the official page ensures you're installing the trusted up-to-date version. If you prefer, you can also search for Chrome Web Store DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials and follow the result to the listing. Once you're on the listing, it's time to install. Click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up explaining the permissions the extension needs to do its job. Review those details, then click Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and enable it automatically. You should see a brief confirmation in the top right corner letting you know it's been added. If the Add to Chrome button looks disabled, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome and that you're signed in if your organization requires it. Next, let's pin it to your toolbar so it's always visible and easy to reach. Click the Puzzle Piece Extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. In the list that appears, find DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, then click the pin icon next to it. You'll see the DuckDuckGo icon appear on your toolbar, which makes it simple to check a site's privacy grade or adjust settings for the page you're on. Now, here's what this extension actually does for you behind the scenes. It stops known third-party trackers from following you across websites, cutting down on those invisible scripts that try to build a profile of your activity. When a site supports it, the extension automatically upgrades your connection to HTTPS, which helps keep your data more secure in transit. It also gives each site you visit a simple privacy grade, so you can quickly gauge how protective or invasive a page might be at a glance. And when you want more control, the toolbar icon lets you see what was blocked and tailor protections on a per-site basis if something isn't loading correctly. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. With DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials installed and pinned, you've taken a meaningful step toward a safer, more private browsing experience in Chrome.